Hey guys, today we'll be decorating a large mosaic number with balloons. What you will need: I have 5-inch and 10-inch balloons, balloon glue or double-sided tape, whichever you prefer, a balloon tire if you choose, and your number. Alright, let's get started. I have inflated all of my 10-inch balloons, and I'm just going to start placing them inside my number just to see if I like what it's looking like. I can adjust and move around the colors to fit whatever style I'm going for. And I do move them around just to see what looks the best. Alright, that looks pretty good to me. And once I have them placed where I want them, I'm going to go around and add the balloon glue. I add a few dots to each balloon. Again, you can place double-sided tape along the bottom of the number and then just attach that way, whichever you prefer. And I'm just reinforcing it with glue on the bottom and also on the sides against the wall of the number. And I'm just going to get all the balloons attached to my number. Then we'll start adding the smaller 5-inch balloons to the empty spaces in between. Alright, so this is what it looks like. Now I'm going to place my 5-inch balloons. The little balloons are so cute and precious. I'm just placing them throughout my number. Again, wherever there's a space, I'm going to add the smaller balloons just to fill it up and make it look nice and full and cute. So I inflate the balloon and then I give it a little push a couple of times just to keep it nice and round and adorable. And then tie it in a knot. And you are all done. So cute, simple, and easy to make. Modify the color, the style, add in any additional embellishment you prefer. You can go with all smaller balloons. You can go with all larger balloons. Just depending on the style you're going for. So have fun with it and make it your own.